Credit decisions in cannabis can be hard. You are constantly struggling with who to extend credit to and what credit to extend. It can feel overwhelming knowing exactly what to do, and one bad decision can cost you a lot of money. With OneView Insights, powered by the Cannabiz Credit Association, you can have the tools you need to make better credit decisions. You can simply type in the name of a company and evaluate their credibility. With OneView Insights, you have the power to see collection claims submitted against them. Have they been sent to collections? How much money do they owe? What was the outcome? An anonymously submitted account receivables data from our other members. Are they paying others on time? What is their ratio of past due to current? You can even see individual lines of data if needed. All it takes is to become an accredited member of our community. Share your account's receivable data each month and unleash your power to make informed cannabis credit decisions. Join us on our mission to elevate the cannabis industry. Become a Cannabiz Credit Association member today.